Today, I will be showing you how to add a video in Card. To start, click on Add Elements. This will open the list of elements you can add to your card. Next, select Video. Once you choose the video option, you'll be asked how you want to add your video. You can either upload a video, which requires a paid subscription, or you can embed a video using a link. If you choose Embed, simply paste the URL of the video you want to display on your card. This is useful for videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. After embedding the video, you can customize how it appears on your website. You may add a thumbnail, show or hide the title, or set a specific starting time. There are also options such as loop playback, show player controls, show captions, show related videos, or enable privacy enhanced mode. You can then adjust the appearance and add a video animation, which controls how the video appears when it first comes into view. When everything looks the way you want, click Done to save your changes. And that's how you add a video in Card. Thank you for watching.